In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable discounts on Zoho Invoice. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your account settings, so you can start applying discounts to your invoices quickly and confidently. Let's get started inside your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're on the main home screen, the first thing you need to do is open the settings. Look towards the top right or left corner of your screen, depending on your current layout, and find the small gear icon. This gear icon is the universal symbol for settings in Zoho. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. If you ever feel lost, just remember, anything related to configuration or customization usually starts with this gear icon. When the settings page opens, you'll see several options grouped into different sections. What you're looking for here is the option called General Preferences. This is where Zoho Invoice keeps most of the overall behavior and layout settings for your invoices and estimates. Find General Preferences in the list and click on it. If you manage multiple modules in Zoho, make sure you're specifically in the invoice preferences, not in a different product. Once you're in General Preferences, you'll see a series of settings related to how your invoices appear and behave. Scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled "Do you give discounts?" This is the key area that controls whether discount fields are available on your invoices. In this section, Zoho typically gives you a choice to enable or disable discounts, and sometimes to decide whether discounts apply at the line item level, the invoice level, or both. Carefully read the options you see there. Choose the one that matches how you usually give discounts to your customers. For example, if you often discount individual products or services, you may want line-level discounts. If you just apply a single discount to the total amount, an overall invoice discount might be enough. After selecting your preferred discount option, make sure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Save Change